Divergence of a vector field. So second derivation, today's derivation, divergence of vector field or vector point function, vector field in curvilinear coordinates, जसं की आपण आता पहिलं डेरिवेशन केलं, एक्झॅक्टली ऑन द सिमिलर लाइन्स वी आर गोइंग टू डिराइव this divergence of a vector point function in the curvilinear coordinates. Okay, now here earlier we have taken psi which is a function of u1, u2, u3. Now I am taking some vector f in this case. So suppose capital F is a continuous vector function. Capital F is a continuous vector function of orthogonal curvilinear coordinates. Okay, I am taking these derivations line to line because once we understand all these things, it is very easy to go for next all derivations when we go for actual different types of coordinate system, that is Cartesian, spherical, polar and other types of coordinate system. Okay, curvilinear coordinates of this u1, u2 and u3. This is a continuous vector point function of the orthogonal curvilinear coordinates u1, u2, u3. We can write this vector in the component form. जैसे कि वेक्टर a bar in Cartesian coordinate system can be written as IAX plus JAY plus KAZ. So here also in my curvilinear coordinate system, I can write this vector f bar is like this. F bar is equal to, now its first component along first direction into E1 cap plus F2 is the component of this vector in the second direction multiplied by E2 cap. So this is scalar, this is scalar vector, and third thing is now F3 into E3 cap. This is my equation 1, just like this. Component, unit vector. Here also unit vector in the three different directions, component first, component 2 and component 3. This is my f bar. Okay, so we have already written here where this capital F1, capital F2 and F3 are components of f bar in three directions, in the three different directions. Component of F1, F2, F3 are the component of f bar in three different directions. Okay, now and even E2, E3 cap are the unit vectors, that is not to be told here. Now let's go for this calculation. Now let's go for this del bar dot f bar, simple dot multiplication operation. So this is nothing but del bar dot, in the bracket I am writing this to be F1, it's a capital F1, capital F1 into E1 cap plus F2 into E2 cap plus F3 into E3 cap. So I used equation 1 there to find out this. So as I know, A dot B plus C plus D can be separated out in three different terms. So that is what I am doing here. Del bar dot, in the first case it is F1 into E1 cap plus del bar dot F2 into E2 cap plus del bar dot F3 into E3 cap. There should not be any objection over this. Call this to be equation 2. I have done nothing. I have just separated out the term from the first earlier equation. I have got this, and already we have seen, in the last derivation we have seen that grad simple u1 is nothing but E1 cap upon h1, grad u2 is nothing but E2 cap upon h2, and grad u3 is nothing but E3 cap upon H3. We have already seen this last derivation. Refer it there. And also we'll go for this, then go for this calculation, grad U2 cross grad U3. This is cross product of two vectors. This is vector 1, vector 2. If it is taken here, I can take this to be a E2 cross E2 cap cross E3 cap. Okay, this product of this and this, divide by H2 into H3, divide by H2 into H3. And now look at this. This order gives you, as I know, all this E1, E2, E3 are mutually perpendicular to each other. The cross product of second and third vector is nothing but first vector. So it is E1 cap upon H2, H3. E1 cap upon H2, H3. Since E2 cap cross E3 cap is equal to E1 cap. Orthogonality of the coordinate system. This curvilinear coordinate system is, again, we have taken orthogonal, so we have derived this to be this thing, and therefore from this I can write E1 is equal to E1 cap is equal to this, take this H2 H3 on that side, so you will get H2 into H3 into the bracket grad U2 cross grad U3. So I got E1 cap in this direction. Call this to be another equation number 3. E1 cap is this. Now आता आपलं इक्वेशन जे 2 होतं, we have written this equation number 2, one component of this. So this first component F1 E1 cap, F2 E2 cap, and F3 E3 cap. I have to concentrate over this. Okay, now let's go. Now consider first term on RHS of equation 2. Consider the first term on RHS, right hand side of equation 2. Remember, it looks more theoretical. In examination no one asked this, but we must understand how we have defined gradient, how we have defined divergence, and how we have defined curl. Actual application of these things for different types of coordinate system, that is more interesting part that we are going to do later on once we understood this particular theory here. Okay, so let's go for this first component, del bar dot, first one it is capital F1 into E1 cap. So I am replacing this E1 from equation number 3 here, so it becomes del bar dot in the bracket F1, this is a component here, multiplied by this H2 into H3 in the I should write this as this bracket here, square bracket, F1 into H2 H3 into the bracket grad U2 cross grad U3. So this is what first on the first side I have concentrated here. We have to solve this. There is one more vector identity we are going to using here. We are going to use here. So first take gradient of this, so of this F1 and H2 H3. This is a product, that's why I have to take it there. Dot this bracket grad U2 cross grad U3. This is my first quantity on the right hand side, plus second time I have to take differential of this product in the bracket, so divergence of that. So F1 H2 H3 remains as it is, and del bar dot, now this is del bar, sorry, this grad U2 cross grad U3. Okay, so what we have used here, this is del dot of vector A and B cross C. This type of vector identity you are used here. Del dot A into the bracket B cross C. So first this, then this remains as it is. Second, this remains as it is, and its del operator. The del operator is to be operated over that. Now look at this. Out of this second term, this term actually becomes 0. So there is one vector identity. Now try to find out what this vector identity. In the last year SYBSc in vector calculus, or this particular third chapter, we have discussed this type of vector identity. I am not going to express it here what it is, but that becomes simply 0. So this gives me grad of, okay, this operation becomes simple one. It is in the bracket f1 h2 into h3 bracket dot grad of u1 cross grad of u2 and u3, not u2 and u3, and plus 0. So I got this particular vector here, grad dot this operation, okay, here we have made yeah, this del dot f1 e1 cap is given by this equation, grad in the bracket f1 h2 h3 dot gradient of u2 cross gradient of u3. Okay, so this is what for this. Now I can write this as, आता माग वरती एक डेरिवेशन आपण केले पहा, we have shown this grad u2 cross grad u3, that this relationship, okay. So grad u2 cross grad u3 is equal to this e1 cap upon h2 h3. So we can replace it there, this component here. So you can write it, since we already written this, since grad u2 cross grad u3 is equal to e1 cap upon h2 into h3. Okay, so replace it there, that gives me grad of, in the bracket, f1 h2 h3 and dot of this multiplied by e1 cap upon h2 h3. Call this to be some equation. ठीक आहे, आता पुढचे इक्वेशन्स आपण याच्यावरून घेऊ शकतो. दिस इज व्हॉट इक्वेशन नंबर 3 और 4. किती नंबर असेल? इक्वेशन नंबर 4. This is equation 4. Can you write next component? Similarly, using same mathematics, we can find out del bar dot second component f2 into e2 cap is equal to, can anyone tell me? Now here it will be, okay, it is e2 cap upon, it will be now here h1 h3 in the denominator h, here जसं h1 आला नाही तिथं h2 येणार नाही, e1 cap आलेला आहे, येणार आहे, तसं e2 cap वरती e1 cap होता तसं इथं e2 cap येईल, and here now this will be del bar of f2 and h1 h3 into dot of this is my 5, and last component del bar dot f3 into e3 cap can be written as del bar into the bracket f3 into h1 h2 dot with this e3 cap upon h1 h2. Don't cancel this with this or this with this, don't cancel this here, okay. This is my equation number 6. I hope you are writing along with me. That's why it will be simple or easier for you to go for these discussions. And now using these three components 4, 5 and 6, let's write therefore del bar dot f bar is equal to, okay, add these three components, you will get, I am writing in rewriting fashion, e1 cap upon h2 h3 dot grad of f1 h2 h3 plus second component is e2 cap upon h1 h3, then dot grad of f2 h1 h3, and last component is e3 cap upon h1 h2 dot this gradient of f3 into h1 h2. Okay, call this to be equation number 7. And now replace this by earlier आपलं मागचं जे वेक्टर डिफरन्शियल ऑपरेटर आहे त्या इक्वेशनने याला रिप्लेस करा. सो सिन्स वी कॅन राईट इट सेपरेटली, ग्रॅड बार इज इक्वल टू, बघा आठवतंय का अर्लियर डेरिवेशन वी हॅव सीन E1 cap upon H1 into dabba upon dabba U1 plus E2 cap upon H2 into dabba upon dabba U2 plus E3 cap upon H3 into dabba upon dabba U3. This is vector differential operator in curvilinear coordinates. Okay, use this there in earlier relation. So I will get थोड़ा सा big मोठा relation असेल, so write it separately. Del bar dot f bar is equal to, first it is E1 cap upon H2 H3 dot, this now is E1 cap upon H1 into dabba upon dabba U1 plus E2 cap upon H2 into dabba upon dabba U2 plus E3 cap upon H3 into dabba upon dabba U3. This is to be operated over, this is F1 into H2 H3. This is my first term here. Second term is plus E2 cap upon H1 H3 dot, again same bracket, this E1 cap upon H1 into dabba upon dabba U1 plus E2 upon H2 cap into dabba upon dabba U2 plus E3 cap upon H3 cap into dabba upon dabba U3 in the bracket. This is to be operated on F2 H1 H3. And similarly third component or third is H3 E3 upon H1 H2 dot, this vector differential operator E1 cap upon H1 into dabba upon dabba U1 plus E2 cap upon H2 into dabba upon dabba U2 plus E3 cap upon H3 into dabba upon dabba U3, this operation over F3 H1 H2. And remember here what will happen in this equation, look here, this is E1 cap dot E1 cap. Now this, with this operation E1 cap dot E2 cap will be 0, E1 cap dot E3 cap will be 0, here E2 and dot E1, E2 and this E3, here E3 and this E1 and E3 and this E1 E2 etc. will become 0. So product of this and this first term will only appear there. Okay, so I'll get next term is, therefore this is equal to 1 upon, okay, E1 cap dot E1 cap is 1, so this is 1 upon, I am writing here, so this H1 from inside this bracket and H2 H3 is already there, so I am getting this is to be product of H1 H2 H3, all the three scale factors, and then differential of with respect to simply U1 of the quantity F1 into H2 H3. Next is exactly similar, 1 upon H1 H2 H3 into dabba upon dabba U2 of the bracket, it is F2 into H1 H3, and last one is 1 upon, okay, product of this and this will be again 1 upon H1 H2 H3 scalar product, scalar factors, and differential with respect to third coordinate dabba U3 of F3 and H1 H2. Okay, and this is what our derivation. Therefore del bar dot f bar is equal to, divergence of vector point function is given by this equation. Now I am writing H1 H2 H3 is common in all these three terms, So 1 upon h1, h2, h3, this is common for all, so it is dabba by dabba u1 of f1, h2, h3. so that's what we were not cancelling this h2, h3 anywhere, आपण मागे कुठेही कॅन्सल केलेलं नाही त्या कारणासाठी, to have this standard format. So plus dabba upon dabba u2 into second component f2 and scalar factor h1 and h3, and last time is dabba upon dabba u3 third component f3 into first scalar factor multiplied by second scalar factor. Okay, and this is what my derivation here, which gives me divergence of the scalar vector point function in the curvilinear coordinate. So this expression is, this is the expression for divergence of vector point function or vector point function in curvilinear coordinates. Okay, so remember, we have obtained grad operator, we have operator grad psi, and we have obtained grad dot f bar. Okay, sorry, del bar dot f bar. So this is a scalar, this is a vector operation, after this is gets vector, and this is simply a mathematical operator. Okay, so this is what the information we have learned from today's discussion, as we have started earlier there. Now next part, curl, Laplacian, etc., that will go somewhat later on. Okay, so try to understand both of these derivations, though it appears lengthy, जरी थोडेसे मोठे वाटत असले, स्टेप्स खूप सगळ्या वेगवेगळ्या प्रकारचे असल्या तरी getting these derivations is not that difficult. So you can study from the textbooks, you can study from these notes, or there can be other, I am going to present the PPT of this also with some other method, and that will be made available after 2-3 days, and that PPT also can be used. That is that actual PPT is the outcome of all this. So this entire mathematical derivation is not being done in that PPT. We have to just infer, or we have to just understand from that PPT how all these things are there. Okay, so in our list we have started first with the length component, length element, then we have gone for surface element, then we have gone for volume element, we have defined this vector differential operator, that is del bar, we have obtained this grad psi scalar point function, its gradient, that is going to be a vector, as I said, and similarly we have obtained, now this is the del bar dot v bar. Okay.